guys think, chat? You think we can do a burnout in this thing? A couple of weeks ago, Bill from Power Hungry Performance was out here with Vinny Himes and Angela. They were on their big trip and they broke down in the bus and they asked us to take care of it for them. Guess who's got the keys?
Bummer. Dude, she's clean.
It is clean. I like the paint job they put on it.
Looks good. Good job, guys.
DT466, Orion tuned. I don't know, I'd have to ask Bill. I guess it's making, I don't know.
It's probably whatever has turned up.
325, 350 horsepower.
Pretty good for a
pretty
bus,
impressive.
yeah. Oh, brother, here we go.
So what'd you think, Cameron? Are you impressed?
It's pretty cool.
Dude, I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference when you put the Orion on these things. It's like it scoots. I bet you.
Do you think it could do burnout?
Oh, for sure.
Right.
For sure. What do you guys think, chat? You think we can do a burnout in this thing? Bill? Are you watching this? You think it'll do a burnout?
Sorry, buddy. Dude, your side lit up so fast.
Charlie, you're crazy, dude.
Oh, yeah! How'd you guys like that burnout? I did not think it was going to do that good of a burnout.
Okay, that was crazy, Charlie.
Definitely trashed the parking lot. Nobody tell Casey.
Don't tell Casey.
I'll get it fixed, I promise.
Sorry, boss.
But that was impressive.
That was really good.
You know what'll be even more fun? Let's go take everybody to lunch in this thing and go troll people and race them.
All right, company
You
lunch.
think anyone will race us?
Yeah,
They'll probably think we're
find
just
someone.
joking, but I'm
Yeah,
serious. I
probably
want to go
a
race
Prius.
people.
Maybe a bicycle?
Fall in love and kiss the swag. Used to have my babies in the Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep the tag. Cause I'm a stunner, ain't no wonder why my phone be mad.
Can we get Chick-fil-A? I don't think we have to go somewhere that has a big drive-thru.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. You're just my kind of heat.
I think I have to be on that right there.
Over half here?
Yeah, can I get 200 Jack in the Box tacos, please?
To go.
All right. Can we get some taco sauce too? I think you forgot the taco sauce.
We can do anything that we wanna do. Long as you got me and I know I got you. We a team. No in between.
Hey, pull up a little bit. You want to race?
Yeah, let's run it.
Let's do it. Is that the 4-cylinder or the 6? Oh yeah, you do the Chevy guys proud. I'll give you $10 if you beat me. You just gotta pull over up here. On green, okay? You ready for this? All right.
We keep going and then
Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at that! Oh, he's gaining on us! He's gaining on us!
we're like birds of a
Dude, that was an incredible launch!
always better.
Ah, we're gonna beat him! We're gonna beat him! Yeah! Look at that! Oh my God!
We don't give in to the pressure.
You guys all right? The dude just kept driving. I guess he didn't think we were really racing. I was gonna pay him $10 too, but you know, I can't find him now. There's a Toyota coming up next to us. You guys want to see if he'll race us? Hey! Roll your window down. You want to race on green? No, seriously, on green, we'll race. You ready for this? On green we go. I'll give you $10 if you beat me. You just gotta pull over up there. Yeah, let's do it on green. You ready for this? All right. All right, chat.
This should be interesting.
Hope there's no cops around. I don't think we'll be breaking any speed limit laws, but
Oh gosh.
all right, so this isn't our school bus. If you haven't been watching the video, this is Power Hungry's school bus. We borrowed it for a couple of days, found out it was in town, and we're like, dude, let's go snag this thing. So it's a DT466 with the Orion tuner on there. And I want to say it adds, like, on this model, like 150 horsepower. You'd have to look it up. There are different levels. But I'm telling you, this thing is zippy. We've got a DT466 in a moving truck.
Come on, buddy. Here we go. Come on,
floor it,
truck.
right?
It's all the way down.
This one is way faster. He said it's because of the 6-speed Allison versus whatever crappy trans we have in that thing. But I'm telling you, this thing is impressive. Loaded down with 30 people in the back, this thing is still zippy to drive. If you guys have a DT466 or any of the bigger international motors, I believe anything but the VT275, if you have the 6.0 version, the 7.3 version, or the DT466, they've got the Orion tuner from you, and it is incredible what it unlocks on these things. If you haven't heard about it, give us a call, contact Power Hungry Performance, reach out to us on our website, or just comment down below and we'll get you guys taken care of. Thanks for following along.
Fall in love and kiss the swag. Used to have my babies in a Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep the tag. Cause I'm a stunner, ain't no wonder why my phone be mad. Make it fall in love and kiss the swag.
All right, guys. I think Bill might have heard a little something about our lunch date the other day, and Vinny just showed up today. I had no idea he was coming. I just got a message said I'll be there in 20 minutes, and he brought muscle with him for some reason. Is this Joe's your muscle? I don't know. They didn't come alone. They must have seen the video, but either way, we are giving the bus back. We don't get to keep it, apparently.
Well, we gotta go put tires on this thing now.
Yeah, the back tires, they I don't know why they're so bald.
Those things were meant.
Yeah.
I just had them put on 7,200 miles ago.
Hopefully you make it home.
Yeah.
Steering's better.
Hopefully we make it down the street.
If you guys want to learn more about the Orion tuners or any of these modifications of the bus, make sure to hit up Vinny or Power Hungry Performance, or you can contact us.
Or if you want a KC turbo for your international DT series engine.
We don't have anything now, but we could start working on something.
But
But
you're saying there's a chance.
there's a chance.
Until next time.
Oh yeah. We gotta
Bring it up
send
here
a
where you
message
can
to
hear.
the entire United States. At least the southern half. It's only a 3,000 mile drive home.